So whatever you see over here in this section is what you get as the final output. And in Camtasia Canvas, you have an option to directly work around with your canvas. So let's see how we can exactly do that. So the first option that you have is the edit tool. So what it allows you to do is, let's say for example, you have this clip right here. So you can directly select out that clip, resize this clip, and keep it anywhere you want. You can also rotate it around by dragging these handles just like this, as you can see, and then resize it out just like that. You can drag it onto the right and left. You can see that the video is there. You can do that with all of the elements of the canvas just like this. You can just go around, drag this around. You can resize this out just like that, drag it around, and then work around with how you like it, just like that. So that is how you can work around with it. You can have multiple videos on the top and resize it, and you can see that you can just place it around wherever you want. That is how you can do the placing of different elements in your video clips, just like that. You can also do normal video edits. It's not that in Camtasia you are just allowed to do the screen recordings, but you can do normal video edits just like this as well. So these are the options provided by this tool right here. The other option right here is the pan option. So you can hold your spacebar, and then just like that, you can see that you get to the hand just like that by holding spacebar. You can pan and move around this canvas just like this. So it does not really make sense to pan and move around right here, but when you actually zoom in. So if you were to go around and just like this, what you can do is you can go around and see that right now the canvas size is set to fit. Let's say for example you want to have a 300% zoom. You can see that the canvas has zoomed out. So now you can hold space, or you can go around onto this hand tool right here and move around and see the entire canvas just like this, as you can see. So you can just pan and move around just like that. You can go around into 200%, let's say for example, or 50% just like that. And as you have the hand selection, that is, if you hold the space bar, you have like another option. You can use the scroll mouse button to zoom in just and out just like that onto the canvas and see different parts of the canvas and work around with it. And that is how you can directly work around on the canvas and move and zoom in and out from canvas inside of Camtasia. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.